The team has been in Tavuni. The main focus, Coach Simon Revalui was saying, is to reconnect with the people rather than staying at a five-star hotel. How important is that for a Fiji team?
I've been part of the past Rugby World Cup campaigns back in 07, 2011, so a bit of 2015, 2019 prep. What they're doing now has never been done before, and they say, if you wanted to change things up, to get a better yield, and that's important, do that. I think the boys have never done this, so I'm sure there's a lot of hard work that the boys will do this week, and that's part of the plan. I think the one thing is, there was times in the past where they'd say, this Fiji team has become a hotel team, they're away from the people. They stay in the hotel, stay in the five-star, and they just prepare, off they go. These boys represent the people, and I think in coaching, when you talk about high performance, the principles of coaching and the principles of preparation don't change. You can change the venues wherever you want to go, that's fine. I mean, if you can tick the box, connect with the people, but still have your basic building blocks of getting your physical conditioning, your capacity work going. It's a short runaway to this Rugby World Cup. This is different. In previous years, they'd have a big block to physically prepare. This one is different. They're very short prep, then straight into games. But a lot of the boys, pretty much all of them, have played quite a lot of minutes rugby. There's a few of them who probably might be lagging a bit. So it's an individual needs kind of approach that the coaches will do, I'm sure. And that's going to be what will help this team go forward. Having said that, I'll say this from my time within the Fiji team. When the team gels, when the team is in the right space of mind, the team can do anything. And I think now we're at a crossroads in our rugby journey and our rugby history, and it's an exciting time.